How to remove reposts on TikTok. So welcome back to another simple video everyone. In this video, I'll show you the steps to remove a reposted video on TikTok on both iPhone and Android devices. The process is pretty simple, so let's start right away. The very first step is to go over to the TikTok app, and I'm first going to repost a video to my profile. All I have to do is to click on this little share button on the right side of the screen, and then this little menu will pop up. The next step is to tap on this little repost button and the TikTok video will be reposted on our profile. So if we want to remove or delete that repost, the steps are exactly the same. Tap on the share button and then click on this remove repost option. And you'll get this little text at the top that says that the repost was removed. But if you reposted multiple videos a while ago, then we'll go over to our TikTok profile and you will see a section called reposts right here. Or maybe you'll see the repost icon instead of the text, so just click on it, and that will open a section of all the videos that we've reposted on TikTok. So just open a video which you want to repost, tap on the share icon at the right side and then the remove repost button. And that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.